Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Malik here. How do I want to start this? So basically, something is wrong with my camera. It's just keep lagging. I wish I could really show you how I looked after coming in after working all day, placing some trades, going to do a side job after, and then coming home to record this video. I mean, the iPhone is just lagging too much, so I could not do that right now. It was just taking too much. It seems like I need to have iTunes open while I'm recording, and that's quite inconvenient because it just slows down my computer overall, right? So I'll show you the trades that I entered and exited today. Today was nice. It was a CPI and Fed day, so basically CPI came in as expected, and then the Fed is actually mentioning the word recession and planning to still raise interest rates up to 0.25. That should put us at a, what do you call it, a rate of around 5%. Put us at a rate of around 5% when it comes to um the federal funds rate. So the rate that the banks are getting charged on loans is going to be quite high, and that might still cause another push down in the banks, right? So our first trade today was at, I think this is 9:30. So at 9:30 on the QQQ, let's see what happened at 9:30, and this is UTC plus 2. So let me go to New York. So at 9:30, what did I enter here? At 9:30 I entered to the sell side, and then what happened? Let's see. At 9:30, I entered to the sell side at 317.57, right? And I got stopped out actually on the same candle. And let me remove these old ones. These are just causing so much distractions to us. But I actually got stopped out pretty quickly as price just went against me on the same candle. So you can see, I'm not going to go too deep into it, but I'll show you actually where I entered, why I entered. So I got stopped out as it went to the sell side at 318.10. 318.10. So it actually wicked up, and that's what kind of hit me out of my trade here. This was within 4 minutes, so it's still within the same candle, and I was aiming for a stop loss. I mean, a bit above here, but just above where the highest point of the candle, and it came out, hit me out for around a $54 loss, but that's okay. So you can see the next trade was to the sell side. I mean, I entered to the sell side again, so I could tell that the market was going down just based off the MACD. I'm looking at the MACD and seeing, okay, the MACD is actually trending down. This is a bearish trade, but if they're able to hit out my stop loss, that's what's going to happen, right? So you can't let the market hit you out of your position. Like, if you know you have the right setup, that's why you try to mitigate your risk and not take too much of a loss on one trade. Like, I want to keep my risk pretty much lower. So I entered to the downside again at 317.64, like around the same time that I got hit out, and then I closed the trade at, what's this, 10:42. So that would be the 10:30 candle, right? So the 10:30 candles, and that was actually a bearish engulfing. So the market was gonna actually push down a little bit more, and that's where I closed my trade. But it wasn't bad. I like that. I just take profits when I can and not try to force it, right? So this was the second trade of the day at from 9:35 to 10:42, and then the next trade was now at 10:45. And okay, at 10:45 I actually re-entered the trade off this bearish engulfing, and we had the MACD kind of giving that second bit of confluence, and I like that as well. 314.4, 315.4, and then I entered to the downside. I actually closed out the trade for a quick loss, of 315.66. And that was my friend actually mentioning about Meet Kevin, and I just find it kind of funny that we actually watched the same video. That's quite humorous to me, at least. Okay, so at 10:45, I entered to the sell side again, and I'm running through this because I believe my strategy is great at this point, and I just want people to really show some interest if that's the case. But if not, that's fine. I will run it up off this, and you'll see. Like I was posting all of this, and then when it becomes like $1 million account and $1 million trades, I'm gonna be like, "Oh, it's out there. I was always showing it, but you guys didn't watch it. But now you can watch it. No problem. No problem to me at all." So this is where I entered to the sell side at 10:53, and then I closed it on the 11:15 candle, which was a reversal candle. I, like you can see when the reversals are happening on the MACD, and when I get that slight whiff of weakness, yeah, I'm like, yeah, I'm out. So you can see that was a nice reversal, a three-line strike, bull arm pattern as well. So it actually reversed. So as it came into this candle and here, kind of opening up weak on the MACD, I'm like, yep, I want out. I'll take it. And that was a trade for 109, right? And let's hit the other platform. So that's one platform. This is the 5%ers platform. And guess what I found out yesterday, guys? I found it out. So the time that they use, and I can actually see it here. No, they use GMT plus 3. How can I pull it up? I should be able to pull it up. Let me pull it up real quick here. And they say they're trading hours GMT plus 3. So we're expecting that this is what they're following, right? So, but it's still going to be a little off because you know that these guys are doing something funny. But this is the closest, and this is what I actually use to trade. So it being slightly off, I mean, I can work with that, right? And then let's put this to, it's actually UTC plus 3. That would be the same because GMT and UTC is the same. That's what I kind of get from this. I can be wrong, but let's see. Let me use Jerusalem. Okay. And then how many trades I took on this platform? I think I only took 3. And let me see. This trade was at, so it's a 1635. 1635. Oh no. 1626. So that would be 1626 at 1362. 1626. 1626. 26 is this one, okay? And that's a bearish engulfing pattern at 1362. So this, I believe the market was kind of pushing down, and I just entered to the downside here. So at 1362, nice. It's good to finally see it kind of line up. And then I closed the trade at, or I got stopped out actually. You see, that's what I'm talking about. You get stopped out like very quickly, and that's just, you just charge it to the game, even though you know you might have been right. Sometimes you just get stopped out, and that's just what happened. So that's where I got stopped out on the first trade. And let me bring it over here. So the first trade was this one. I got stopped out for $19, right? And then let me see now. The next trade now was at 1635, and let's put it up here, 1635. So that would have been the 1630 candle, right? And that was at 13, right? 13047.4, right? And this was to the downside again. And this was a profit of around $80, and I closed the trade at 1042. So that would have at 1742. My apologies. So it's on this trade, yeah. So it's about the same on both platforms, as you can see. Even though I entered on differently on both platforms at different times. So you can see I closed out this trade for $80 profit at that point. I mean, I could have made a little bit more money, but I'm fine with that. Like, I'm good. Like, once I can be consistent, that I think that will be the real breadwinner, and I can apply the strategy a bit more. So this next trade was at 1744, and if you didn't see it, you can actually see where I entered and exited here. 13047, 1296 for $80 profit, sell type position, right? And the lot size 0 0.1, 0 0.1, or 0.25 at times. But yesterday I was really wrong, really wrong, and that's just what happens, right? So this trade at 1744 was at 12,955, 12,9. So I had a bearish engulfing there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? Okay, 1744. So that's at this same candle. It's at 12,9. Let me see, 12,955.3. Right? So I entered to the downside off that bearish engulfing print. And then where did I close it now? And I'm not sure if it was in a profit, but I'll show you where I closed it at 1747. So did I get stopped out maybe? 12, 9, 8, 7. No, 12, 9, 6, 9.4. And that was at 1747. So I got stopped out there for $14 there, 12969.4, and then the last trade was a sell position, 52 profit. So let me mark that up on the chart here. So this was on the same 1745 candle. So I entered at 17944, and it's interesting, these were all sell positions, and even though some were wrong, like when they were right, it actually made sense. And I closed this on the 1115 candle at 12891.7, right? So it's like on that reversal, so 12981, 12891, let me see, 12891.7, and then this trade was 12944.1. So this is the overall trade there, and I like it. I can see the MACD printing. I can see. So you mix these. You mix the bearish engulfing with the MACD. Also that curvature. You're groovy. And then you just have like a max risk on the position. Like you know where you're willing to risk it to. And that's basically it. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Let me see if I can pull me up real quick and you just see what's going on. I mean, you see this iPhone camera thing. I've been trying to use the iPhone camera, my bro, but it's just not there, gang. You feel me? It's just not there, and I don't know where's this camera now. It's not even showing. It's not even showing. I will see you in tomorrow's video. If you actually watched it towards the end, you will see that I had a special surprise, and it seems like it isn't working, and it might be a dub. Let's see. If you watched it this far, I hope to really hook you up with a video of your boy Malik. What's up, guys? I'm gonna be a billionaire, but I'm gonna start by getting to 100,000 air, like 500,000 air, using the trading, applying that to investing, because I know what I'm gonna invest in, I know what I'm gonna buy, I know the assets I'm gonna get. So I hope you're here early so I can put you on to the game, and I'll see you in the next video. And I can see that consistency is something that really can pay off if you apply it to something that you really want to do. And I'm seeing this strategy like actually like unravel itself, you know. So I'll see you in the next video. You can see that I have the iPhone here, but it's not connecting for some reason. It's not playing on OBS. and I have the charts right here, and I just do this, yo. You feel me? Like, y'all should fuck with a nigga, bro. Y'all fuck with the nigga, cause I am gonna run it up, dog, and I'm gonna put so much people on. It's gonna be crazy, yo. All right, I'll see you in the next video. I still gave you a sneak peek. Stick to the old reliable. It always works. See you later.